Hey, it's Suzanne. Today my main goal is to get this strawberry bed cleared. I think it's going to take me about 4 hours just to clear it, and then I need to come in with compost and sheet mulch so the weeds don't come back. And where I live we have Kogon grass, and this whole bed is just full of the Kogon grass. I already have micro abrasions on my arms. I should probably have put long sleeves on, but I'm enjoying this, finally enjoying fall weather here. I got up this morning and it was in the mid to high 50s, so had some great weather. I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Alright, done pulling the weeds. Now I need to rake all this trash into a pile. Normally I would take the organics and put them in the compost or give them to the chickens, but unfortunately I did use black plastic mulch, which did a really good job for about 9 months, but it is so hot down here it did break down a little bit, but as you can see, not all the way. So because it's mixed with the black plastic mulch, I'm going to make a pile next to the burn pit, and that's what we're going to do with that. Alright, so some of the strawberries were still underneath all the weeds. Some of them had died. We were able to, while we were pulling weeds, we were able to find some young plants. As many of you know, strawberries put offshoots out, so we were able to find those. Here's a dead patch that I've not filled in yet. There are some more strawberries over here that have kind of wandered around, so I'm going to transplant those here. And then I also have some in the middle of the garden that I don't remember why I put them there, but I'd rather have all my strawberries together, so I will move those here as well. And then we'll do compost, and then we'll do mulch. And I originally was going to do sheet mulch, but I don't know if I'm going to have the energy for it now, so I may just get a layer of hay. We shall see. I almost got finished, and but I'm also almost dead. So what I'm going to do, I went ahead and set the sprinkler up. I'm going to water this really well because I did disturb some of the roots when I was pulling weeds, and I also transplanted some small strawberry plants that I took off of some larger plants to fill in those dead areas. I put out compost, I put out mulch, and there is one small section down there that I didn't get finished, but it's time for me to go inside and relax, and I hope y'all have a great week. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we appreciate y'all. Thanks.